Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for the continuous love and support. Friends, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Also turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to prepare a DIY home remedy for cracked heels. Lack of moisture content results in dry skin, which usually is the common reason for cracked heels. No more worries because I am going to reveal you my secret solution to get rid of cracked heels. Two ingredients are required to prepare this. The first one is glycerin and the next one is lemon. Glycerin is easily available in all nearby medical shops. The one I have used here is 20 ml of glycerin. You can buy any amount of glycerin you need and then add a lemon to 20 ml of glycerin. Shake it well until you get a watery consistency. Make sure the consistency is non-sticky. And it's done. So scrub the dirt from your feet, wash it off and make sure you apply this solution on a clean feet regularly to have a baby smooth heels. Do use this and let me know your reviews in the comment section below. Until then, bye, take care. If you like my content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly share this video with your friends and family. For much more amazing content, please follow me on Instagram. I provided the link in the description box.